AOPS Volume 1, the Basics, number 62. If y squared varies inversely as x to the third power and y is equal to 3 when x is equal to 2, find y when x is equal to 9, assuming that y is greater than 0. So first, when we read this question, you might be wondering, well, what does it mean to vary inversely with x to the third power? Well, what it means to vary inversely, well, that goes into the different types of proportionalities. But in this specific case, vary inversely just means that the product of these two ratios of the proportion make a constant. Such as, for an example, this has nothing to do with the question. If I have a rectangle and let the area be equal to x times y, which is the formula, the width times the length. Well, you see here that the two width and length varies inversely as one another because no matter how you change this x and y, the resulting area will be the same. Such as if I have x to be equal to 1, y be equal to 5, this area is 5. But let's say I have 1 over 5 multiplied by 25. 1 over 5 is the width, 25 is the length. Well, this area is still 5 because 25 times 1 over 5 is 5. So this just means that it varies inversely one another, meaning that they have a constant when multiplied together. So y squared times x to the third must give a constant. And we're told what this constant is because we're given a scenario when y is equal to 3 and x is equal to 2. When y is equal to 3, we get 9. And when x is equal to 2, we get 8, meaning that c is equal to 72. So y squared times x cubed is the same thing as 72. And we're told to find y when x is equal to 9. No matter what we multiply, no matter what input x and y is, they will always product to 72. That's why it's called a constant, because they always constantly multiply to that same number. Therefore, y squared times 9 cubed should still give 72. Y squared is equal to 72 divided by 9 times 9 times 9. We see here that 9 divided by 72 divided by 9 is 8. So this becomes 8 over 81. And what is the cube root, or not the cube root, the square root of 8 over 81? Well, y will be 2 root 2 over 9, the solution to our question.